Good morning, everybody. The Traveling Caddy is on another one of his adventures. The Scenic Boat Tour in Winter Park, Florida. Just out lounging, enjoying this heat. 'Cause ain't nothing else you can do. So let's get on down here. My wife, they got the tickets, so we should be good.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never heard of it.
Is it supposed to rain later? When? I don't think until like 2 or 3 hours. That's good. Everybody else will be sleeping noon at 7.
See what the prices are. Adults, $20, kids, $10.
So Ron, how's your mom?
She passed away. Yeah, just recently. Well, about a year ago. Just about a year ago. But everything, she was good all the way up to the end. So it was a blessing. It worked out. 86, 86, maybe 87. No, it's not that old. I know now that's right. But yeah.
He set the
Yeah, he set the record. He was old, but yeah. But yeah.
But he lived his good life.
He sure did. They both did.
Pontoon tours.
I'm
Oh, excuse
No,
me.
you're fine.
Man, they ain't got no shade on this thing, man. Pontoon out there moving pretty good. Let's see. So many things you can do when you're in Florida because the weather is good for outdoor activity. Just a little adventure, something to do. Whenever you're in Winter Park, Florida, find the Scenic tours. But anyway, if you like the content, go ahead on and like and subscribe. Holler at your boy later.